Let's explore on how to rejoin Telegram channel after leaving. Let's begin. Okay, so if you want to learn how to rejoin a Telegram group that you have left by accident or for some reasons, whatever that case may be, we're going to help you out because Telegram is one of the best and most popular instant messaging applications. So the best option that you have, as if you have left any of them, especially a private one, you usually need to be accepted again by invitation. So the first thing you need to do is basically here. All you're gonna do is when you are on your Telegram on your mobile device, use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the specific channel or group you want to rejoin. All right, and if you have that option on your interface, once you find the channel in the search results, tap on its name to visit the channel's page. And on that, if you can see it, basically what will happen is you should see a join button. If that's available, then tap on the join button to rejoin the channel. And again, you may be prompted to confirm your choice to join the channel again. Confirm your decision and you will be added back to the channel. And again, it depends on the privacy settings. Now, if you can't find the join button on the channel you wanted to rejoin or the group you wanted to rejoin again on Telegram, what you can do is simply, if you know the admin of that Telegram channel you wanted to join, give that user a message that you wanted to rejoin the channel, and basically the admin itself will give you the invitation link for you to click, and then eventually you would be able to join in easily. Now, in the event that the admin has blocked you or you blocked the admin for some reason, all right, you might want to check the members of that specific channel, see if you have friends on your list, and from there you can actually ask the one of the friends or members of that specific channel to give you or invite you to be added on that channel as well. All right, so following these steps, you would be able to join the Telegram channel that you wish to rejoin. But again, it's important to note that some channels may have restrictions on privacy settings that could affect your ability to rejoin. If the channel is public and allows anyone to join, again, you would be able to hit the join button very easily. However, if the channel is private or has restrictions, again, you may need to add an invitation from a channel admin, or again, you can simply go to reach out to your friend or a member of that channel for you to be able to add them on that. Okay, and that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.